I spent just $10 at Dollar Tree, and completely changed how my seedlings grow in winter. No upgrades to the light itself, no fancy equipment, just smart little tweaks that squeeze every bit of usefulness out of what you already have. If you've ever started seeds in winter and ended up with weak leggy plants, this is exactly the problem we're fixing today. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we focus on what actually works, not what costs the most. In this video I'm testing simple $1 grow light hacks in real winter conditions and showing you what holds up after 2 weeks of use. If you want healthier seedlings, better light coverage, and fewer wasted dollars, make sure you're subscribed and stick around, because some of these hacks are surprisingly effective. Hack number 1: Reflective Cookie Sheet Light Booster. The first problem almost everyone runs into with grow lights is wasted light. Most lights shine forward and down, which means anything that doesn't get hit directly is lost to the wall behind your plants. That's why this first hack is so effective. A simple aluminum cookie sheet placed behind your seedlings at a slight angle reflects that unused light right back toward the plants. You're not increasing wattage or changing the light. You're just capturing what would normally be wasted and redirecting it where it actually matters. After 2 weeks of winter testing, the difference is easy to see. Seedlings growing with the reflective cookie sheet stayed more upright, developed thicker stems, and showed more even leaf growth compared to plants under the same light without it. Instead of leaning forward and stretching, they received light from multiple directions, which encouraged sturdier growth. For a $1 item that takes less than a minute to set up, this hack delivers one of the biggest improvements on the list. Hack number 2: Foil-lined cardboard box grow chamber. One of the biggest mistakes with indoor seed starting is letting light spill out into the room instead of surrounding the plants. A foil-lined cardboard box fixes that instantly. By lining the inside of a box with aluminum foil and placing it around your seedlings on 3 sides, you create a simple grow chamber that reflects light back toward the plants from every direction. This keeps light concentrated where it's needed most instead of bouncing off walls and disappearing. During winter testing, seedlings grown inside this reflective box showed tighter growth, stronger stems, and less stretching compared to those grown in the open under the same light. The box also held a bit of warmth, which helped stabilize temperatures during cold nights. This hack is especially useful if your grow setup is near a drafty window or in a chilly room, and it costs almost nothing if you reuse a box you already have. Hack number 3: White Poster Board Light Diffuser. Some grow lights are intense in one small area, and weak everywhere else, which can stress seedlings even when the light isn't technically too strong. A white poster board placed a few inches below the light spreads that intensity more evenly across the entire tray. Instead of harsh hot spots directly under the bulb, the light becomes softer and more consistent, which is exactly what young plants need during their earliest stages. After 2 weeks of winter use, seedlings grown under diffused light showed more uniform growth and fewer signs of stress, especially tender greens and herbs. Leaves developed evenly across the tray, instead of crowding toward the center, and there was less risk of drying or curling at the top. This hack works especially well with LED strip lights mounted close to the plants and pairs nicely with reflective walls or grow tents. Hack number 4: Mirror Tile Light Multiplication Station. When overhead light isn't enough, side lighting makes a huge difference, and that's where mirror tiles shine. By setting up mirror tiles in a corner around your plants, you bounce light back at them from multiple angles at once. This creates a more balanced light environment instead of a single top-down source, which helps plants grow fuller rather than tall and stretched. In winter testing, plants grown in the mirror tile setup develop denser foliage and better color, compared to those grown under the same light without reflective sides. Herbs and microgreens especially benefited because their leaves received light from the sides as well as above. This hack works best in small spaces and shallow trays, where every bit of light needs to count. Hack number 5: CD and DVD Hanging Light Catchers. Old CDs and DVDs can still earn their keep in the garden by helping scatter light around your growing area. Hung at different heights with string or fishing line, they catch and reflect small amounts of light back toward your plants from shifting angles. This doesn't replace a grow light, but it helps reduce shadowed spots and spreads light more evenly, especially around the sides of trays, where plants often stretch first. After 2 weeks of winter testing, this hack proved most useful as a supplement rather than a standalone solution. Seedlings grown with CD light catchers showed slightly more balanced growth when paired with other reflective setups, particularly near windows or shelves with uneven lighting. It's a simple no-cost way to improve light distribution, and the gentle movement adds visual interest while still serving a practical purpose. Hack number 6. White plastic tablecloth grow tent. One of the easiest ways to keep light from escaping is to create a mini grow tent using a white plastic tablecloth. By draping it around your growing area with simple hooks or string, you trap and reflect light back onto your plants while also protecting them from drafts. This creates a more controlled environment and concentrating what little winter light you have where it matters most. During testing, seedlings inside the tablecloth tent grew noticeably fuller and sturdier than those left exposed. The tent also helped maintain slightly higher humidity and more stable temperatures, which reduce stress on young plants. It's a low-cost, quick setup that works especially well for small windowsill gardens or crowded shelves, and it pairs perfectly with reflective boards or cookie sheet hacks for maximum light efficiency. Hack number 7. Foam board adjustable reflector panels. Adjustable reflector panels made from white foam board are one of the most versatile hacks on this list. By cutting the boards into panels and arranging them with simple hinges or folds, you can create standing reflectors that direct light exactly where it's needed. As seedlings grow taller or shift throughout the day, these panels can be repositioned to ensure every plant receives consistent light from multiple angles. Unlike static reflectors, these adjustable panels adapt to your setup and make the most of a single light source, especially in narrow or crowded indoor spaces. In winter testing, seedlings grown with foam board reflectors showed more even leaf development, stronger stems and less leaning compared to plants without side reflection. Being able to adjust the panels as plants grew meant that light intensity and coverage could be fine-tuned daily, which made a noticeable difference in overall health and uniformity. When not in use, the panels fold flat for easy storage, making them a reusable and practical solution for long-term indoor growing, without investing in expensive lighting systems. Hack number 8. Aluminum roasting pan seedling platform. Sometimes the simplest adjustments make the biggest difference, and elevating seedlings closer to the light is a perfect example. An aluminum roasting pan works as a dual-purpose platform. It raises trays toward the light, while its reflective bottom bounces additional light upward through drainage holes. This setup maximizes the light each seedling receives and helps prevent leggy stretched growth that often occurs when plants are too far from the source. During 2 weeks of winter testing, seedlings on the roasting pan platform grew noticeably faster and sturdier compared to those sitting directly on a windowsill or shelf. The reflective bottom ensured even light distribution, while the pan itself doubled as a water catch tray, keeping the growing area tidy and reducing mess. It's an inexpensive, easy-to-implement hack that improves growth efficiency without any complicated setup or special equipment. Hack number 9. Solar Path Light Supplemental Side Lighting. Solar-powered pathway lights aren't just for outdoors. They can provide gentle supplemental lighting for indoor seedlings. By charging them in a sunny window during the day and placing them around the base of plants, you create soft side lighting that reaches stems and undersides of leaves. This extra light helps prevent leggy growth and encourages fuller, more even development, especially in low-light winter conditions. After 2 weeks of testing, seedlings supplemented with solar path lights appeared sturdier and more balanced compared to plants that relied solely on overhead grow lights. While these lights don't replace a primary grow light, they add a subtle but meaningful boost, particularly for lower leaves that often miss direct light. This hack is a low-cost, energy-efficient way to give seedlings a little extra support when natural light is limited. Hack number 10. Timer and power strip rotation system. If you only have one grow light but multiple plant stations, timing becomes more important than adding extra wattage. Using a basic timer and a power strip, you can create a rotation system where the light moves between different trays on a set schedule. This ensures that every group of plants receives consistent exposure without the need for additional lights, making the most of a single inexpensive setup. During winter testing, Seedlings on the rotation system responded well to the consistent timing, showing steady, even growth across all stations. Plants didn't stretch toward the light or become uneven, because each group received its turn under ideal conditions. This system is especially useful for seedlings that need supplemental light rather than full-day exposure, and it's a smart, low-cost way to extend one light across multiple growing areas, without sacrificing plant health. Now let me share some bonus tips for maximizing your Dollar Tree grow light hacks. Many of these hacks work best when combined rather than used individually. For example, pairing a reflective cookie sheet or foam board panels with a foil-lined cardboard box or a tablecloth grow tent creates a highly concentrated and evenly distributed light environment. Elevating trays on an aluminum roasting pan, while using hanging CDs as light catchers, adds both vertical and lateral light coverage, helping seedlings develop fuller leaves and stronger stems. The key is to think about light from all directions, top, sides, and even underneath, and to layer these hacks strategically for maximum effect. Small tweaks like these can drastically improve growth outcomes during the short, dark days of winter. Another common mistake to avoid is over-reflecting or crowding the setup. While reflection boosts light exposure, too much can trap heat or create hot spots that stress seedlings. Make sure there's still some airflow, and check temperatures regularly if you're using enclosed spaces like a tablecloth tent or foil-lined box. Also, don't rely solely on these hacks to fix weak seeds, poor soil, or inconsistent watering. Healthy seedlings still require proper care, the right soil, adequate water, and attention to spacing. Think of these hacks as amplifiers for good growing habits rather than replacements for them. Finally, pay attention to duration and timing of light. Even with enhanced reflection and supplemental side lighting, most seedlings thrive under 12 to 16 hours of light per day, depending on the plant type. Using a timer or rotation system helps maintain consistency, which plants respond to better than sporadic exposure. Keep track of which hacks pair well together, experiment with different angles, and make small adjustments as your seedlings grow. By combining strategic reflection, supplemental lighting, and careful timing, you can turn a basic Dollar Tree grow light setup into a highly effective winter gardening solution without spending a fortune. For just $10 to $15 and a few simple household items, you can dramatically improve your winter grow light setup and give your seedlings the support they need to thrive. From reflective cookie sheets to DIY tents and adjustable foam board panels, these hacks prove that thoughtful placement and light management matter more than expensive equipment. Even small tweaks, like hanging CDs for subtle side reflection or elevating trays on an aluminum roasting pan, can make a noticeable difference in growth rate, stem strength, and overall plant health. The best part is that all of these hacks are easy to implement, reusable and flexible for any indoor gardening space, whether it's a windowsill, a shelf, or a small corner of your home. The real value of these hacks comes when they're combined strategically. Using multiple techniques together, reflective walls, diffusers, supplemental side lighting, and timed rotations, creates a balanced, consistent environment that encourages healthy, uniform growth. While these hacks won't replace proper seed starting care, they amplify the results of good practices, turning otherwise weak or leggy seedlings into strong, robust plants ready to thrive once transplanted. With a little experimentation, you can discover which combinations work best for your specific plants, light conditions, and space constraints, giving you full control over your indoor gardening success. Now it's your turn to put these ideas into practice. Which hack are you most excited to try first? Or do you plan to combine a few for maximum effect? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments, so we can share tips and results. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to Timeless Gardening for more practical, low-cost ways to grow strong plants all year round. Every day will bring you simple, tested solutions that make indoor and winter gardening more effective and enjoyable, proving you don't need expensive gear to succeed.